Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install host family programs with homestay.com, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the homestay.com website to begin. Create an account if you don't already have one. Click on the host button located in the top navigation bar. Select Join as a host from the drop-down menu. Fill out the registration form with your personal details. Make sure to provide accurate contact information. Accept the terms and conditions and click Submit. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox to verify your account. Log into your new host account on homestay.com. Complete your host profile by adding essential information. Include details such as your location, language proficiency, and interests. Upload clear, high-quality photos of your home and living spaces. Write an engaging description of your family and what guests can expect. Set the rules and guidelines for your homestay experience. Define check-in and check-out times clearly to avoid confusion. Decide on the type of guests you are willing to host. Specify age ranges, group sizes, and any specific requirements. Set your pricing for the stay, considering the local market rates. Review and adjust your host preferences on the dashboard. Ensure that you are comfortable with your hosting setup. Submit your profile for review by the homestay.com team. Wait for approval. This may take a few days. Once approved, your listing will go live on the homestay.com platform. Monitor your messages for inquiries from potential guests. Respond promptly to maintain a good host reputation. Finalize details with guests, including any special arrangements. Prepare your home for incoming guests according to your listing. Familiarize yourself with the expectations and guidelines provided by homestay.com. Enjoy your hosting experience and build meaningful connections with guests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.